Hi you guys, welcome to my first ever video. Right now I am filing my natural nail. I previously had acrylic on all my nails, but I have e-filed off what was lifting and filed it very thin, so that way my natural nails won't be bulky, because I'm just using this to protect my nails while I'm at work, because I can't have technically anything on my nails. So I have already done my right hand, which is my dominant hand. Now I'm doing my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, and I'm just going around patching up my nails so the polygel can stick. And I've already pushed back my cuticles. Okay, so here I just finished filing my pinky nail. I'm using like a bristled brush, I don't exactly know what to call this, to remove all the debris from where I just filed my nails, to make sure I get all of my cuticles, so that way it's less of a chance that the polygel will lift. I'm using, I believe, 90% isopropyl alcohol to cleanse my nail from the debris, and also I will be using it as my slip solution for my polygel. So here I am using it to cleanse my nail. And that is why it is one of my dapping dish, because I'm using it for my slip solution. It makes a great slip solution. And I only need a little bit because my nails are teeny tiny. And here you will see me putting my paper towel underneath my coaster once I finally get everything in frame, because I don't want to mess up my desk. That is my brush and my spatula. And I believe I was using the light pink, yes, the light pink Modelones Polygel. And later on, I realized I should have put my damping dish on the opposite side, so that way I wouldn't reach across the frame. But that is my Modelones base coat that came in my polygel kit. And I will be putting that all over my natural nail and also on top of the acrylic. Usually, before I would put the base coat on my natural nail and just on the nail in general, I would usually use a primer and a dehydrator, but in this case, because I'm getting other things in the mail dealing with nails, I don't want these to last all that long. So therefore, I'm not using a primer nor a dehydrator, because I want these to come off fairly quickly. So that is why neither of those items are used in this video. But don't fret, usually I do use those. Okay, so here I am finishing putting base coat on my last nail, and then I will cure that in my LED UV light for 60 seconds, and then I will move on to applying my light pink polygel onto my natural nail. And I'm almost out, so it's kind of hard to squeeze out, but just like the Daisy commercials say, do a dollop of Daisy. We're going to do a dollop of polygel on our pinky nail. And I will dip my brush into the slip solution / isopropyl alcohol and just maneuver it around onto my nail. I don't want it to be too thick. I mean, granted, if it is too thick, I'm gonna file at the end anyway, but I'm trying to save myself some filing, so I don't want it to be too thick. Yet again, I just want it to cover my natural nail, just to be like just to protect my nail while I'm at work. And so here I am getting off the excess, because apparently I have horrible judgment in how much I need for my little itty bitty nail. And here I am using the scraper to scrape it off. Oh, I dropped a little bit on my coaster. No fret, just take it off. And whenever you see your polygel starting to stick to your brush, just dip more into your alcohol and dab a little bit off onto your paper towel and just keep it trucking. And so we're going to do that to, I believe in this one is my 5 fingers, so we're going to do it to the next 4 fingers and cure it in our LED / UV light for, well, I did like a flash cure for 30 seconds, so it will not move anywhere. And then in the end, after I finished all 5 nails, so I did a final cure for 60 seconds. And yes, keep watching. So after being politically correct for 2 nails and using the spatula, I was like, screw this, I'm just going to do the dollop directly from the tube onto my natural nail. I am the only one who uses these products. I do not do anybody else's nails. I am not licensed. I am just a nail enthusiast who have learned from YouTube University. So therefore, I don't care if I touch it directly from the tube. But since I'm not using the spatula, it just makes it a little bit easier for me and a little less messy. And yet again, you will still do the exact same thing. You will dip your brush into the alcohol or slip solution, whichever one you so may choose, and just maneuver it around on the nail. You don't want it to be too thick, and that is what we do. Alrighty, and here I am on my thumbnail. No pun intended. I have just done my last dollop of poly, and I have dipped my brush into my alcohol, and I'm maneuvering it around, and in between each finger I have flash cure for 30 seconds because I am a klutz, and if I do not flash cure, I will hit my nail on something and I will mess it up and have to do it all over again. So to prevent that, I flash cure. So here you will see me being Goldilocks, double checking to make sure that my nail is not too thick, not too thin, and that it is just right. Even if it is too thick, like I said before, I can always just file it down in the end. And so that's why I'm checking all angles, from the sides, from the back, from the front, all over the place, just to make sure that it is just right. I am wiping off the tacky layer of the polygel with isopropyl alcohol. Learn from my mistakes. Don't be like me. Don't ruin nail files. Please wipe off that tacky layer. I did not read instructions in the beginning, and I ruined at least 3 files. I ruined good files because I didn't wipe off the tacky layer. Here I am giving you a little ASMR action and tapping the nails to show you that they're solid, they're cured, and they're ready to go. Now I will do a horrible job at filing my nails. I will file around the sidewalls, I'll file around the edges, I'm going to shape them, I'm going to file on the top to make sure that everything is clear, concise, and cohesive. Nothing is too thick, nothing is too thin, everything is just right, everything looks natural, because at one of my jobs I cannot have anything on my nails. So to prevent me from breaking nails, I opt for something hard to go on my nails, even though technically I'm not supposed to. That's why I chose that light pink color, because it is more of a natural color to go on my nails, so that way even at work they can't tell. And when I finish filing, I will wipe off the excess dust with some more isopropyl alcohol just to get rid of it, and then I will go over my nails with a matte top coat, because yet again, not supposed to have nothing on. If I have a glossy top coat, you will definitely be able to tell there's something on my nails. So I'm gonna go with matte, and you can't tell the difference. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.